Good evening from Negros Autocon 2022. I'd like to show you our 2001 G500. So it's running Ironman 4x4's Foamcell and coil springs. It's running our Foamcell shocks and coil springs. So because of the 2-inch lift, we're running 275 7018 BFG KO2s and the same lift for the back. So we're running foam cells and coil springs in the back as well. There's the Ironman shocks and coil springs. So it's running foam cells. Now, for the top of the vehicle, we ran Ironman 4x4 IRR feet. So this is Ironman 4x4, and we coupled it with a ALU-CAB load bar. So the load bars are ALU-CAB. I think you'll see it better on the other side. And we installed the new Ironman 4x4 XTR 143 awning. We lowered the poles because we had wind and rain a while ago. So basically this is a self-supporting awning. So we'll do a walk around. So that's how big a coverage you get. Now on top, that is the Ironman 4x4 Swift 1400 metal shell, alloy shell tent. So I think you'll see it better from front. So that's the Swift 1400 tent and the XTR 143 on our G-Wagon. So the G-Wagon has been lifted, so the tires will fit, and basically that's it. It's complete. It still has the triple lockers and everything, and we do use it off-road. So that's our G-Wagon from Negros Autocon 2022. Thank you.